for today with today's recipe, making a pizza. 1 cup of bread flour, dough, and then 1 cup of cake flour. Of course, salt, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you add your cider. So we just need this. Add some olive oil, cover it, keep it safe. I bake the base with the sauce first. Okay, so we are busy with our pizza. Got some of our mini frikkadels. So again, you don't need to pre-cook this. And then we've got some caper berries here. This is going back into the oven until the cheese has melted. Interesting. Oh, mozzarella, this piece is crispy.